Today we're working on my 1998 Toyota T100 supercharged with the 5VZ engine. First we're going to see what codes we can pull off the OBD2. And we've got a stored code that I had deleted before and current code P0446, evaporative emission system vent control circuit. I'm going to go ahead and erase those in case we do fix it. And there it's gone. Alright, we're going to try just putting into Google P0446 Toyota T100 and AI overview is suggesting evap vent control circuit issues. Looking at the troubleshooting steps, we see inspect the charcoal canister, test the VCV or VSV. We also see this one for check the wiring harness and check the gas cap, as well as vacuum lines. So I'm going to start from easiest to hardest. Easiest, I would say, is going to be check the gas cap. So let's check the gas cap. Okay. It sounded like there was pressure in the gas cap, so I don't think it's a faulty gas cap. Going back to our AI overview, let's check out vacuum lines. That seems like that might be easiest. So I'm following this big one. Across the engine bay, back to the intake. That looks fine to me. Let's check out this next one that comes off the top. And looks like it goes towards the supercharger. Oh, look at that. That doesn't look good. That's probably our issue. So let's go ahead and see if we can replace that. I did have some spare hose here from when I did the PCV valve when I first got the truck. It looks like it might just be long enough to fit. I think this hose wore out prematurely or faster than it would have if this was an NA truck, naturally aspirated truck. I do think the supercharger, as cool as it is, does have some drawbacks, which I'm planning on making a full video about. It's mostly additional wear items that you might not have considered when thinking about supercharging a 5VZ. They're not gigantic problems, but they add up. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure if it's long enough to fit, so let's see if we can get that hose clamp off and see if it will work. Okay, I got the hose back on. I'm clipping things back into place here. As you can see, we're reconnected at both ends. And there's the old hose. That definitely was not good. I do think the additional heat from the supercharger leads to additional parts wear, like you saw there. Taking her on a quick test drive. Seems to be happier than before, and no check engine light yet. We've driven another 1,500 miles since creating the first part of the video and can confirm that the code is still gone. We resolved the issue. I was confident that hose was obviously bad, but wasn't sure if there was another issue that was throwing the code as well, and can confirm that it was just the hose for us. Thanks for watching.